Hey guys, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can get your CPU side panel for your computer. Nowadays lot of CPUs have tempered glass, which is pretty looking and transparent. However, the beauty comes always with a cost. Even though this tempered glass doesn't easily get scratched, it is still glass. That means it will be easily breakable. Even if you handle it gently, at some point it will break regardless. Especially if the CPU side panel is made of cheap materials. The glass will definitely get weaker if it is exposed to heat. In our case, our CPU will heat over time as we use it. A lot of CPU cabinets are unknown brands, so getting a replacement for the side panel is not that easy. You may not be able to find the proper parts. It's not the end of the world. We can still get a transparent side panel replacement. Let me tell you what I did to get my side panel. Back when I used the glass side panel, when it broken, it actually caused some injuries to my hand. So I decided not to use the glass anymore, because glasses are always going to break regardless. Until I find a solution, I need to use my computer without getting a lot of dust. So I decided to use the cardboard for a while as a temporary solution. After a few days of thinking, I was finally able to find a great solution for all of these problems. I came around a product called acrylic sheet. This material is transparent and it's not a glass. It's more like a plastic material and it's not easily breakable. It's stronger than a glass. But it has only one con. You shouldn't scratch the side panel on purpose. It's not a scratch proof. Other than that, it's a wonderful alternative. It won't be affected by overheating from your CPU, it will keep the dust away and protect your CPU components from outside objects. In order to make your side panel, you need to measure your CPU cabinet's height and width. You can use measuring tape for that and write it on a note. Once you have done that, you have to buy the acrylic sheet at local store. If you are unable to find a store, then you can even order it online. But when you try to buy this, you also check for its thickness and choose the right one. And this is exactly what I did. Once I got the acrylic sheet in my hand, I went to the laser cutting shop. It's where they cut almost anything with lasers, such as glass and plastic sheets and much more. I gave them the measurements of the side panel, which we got it from the cabinet, and I asked them to cut it for me. They only charged me like 50 rupees. And once that is done, I went back home. I marked the screw holes in the acrylic sheet by placing the acrylic sheet on my cabinet. I was easily able to mark the screw holes right there. And once that is done, I used the drill to make a hole. So I had the 4 screw holes, all 4 sides. And boom, that's it. We got ourselves a brand new side panel, which is better than a glass panel. And it works perfectly well. I will leave a link in the description below where you can order an acrylic sheet from online. The drilling should be done manually, so keep that in mind. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.